Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to fold a burrito perfectly. This will be a full tutorial and an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have a tortilla or a wrap, depending on how you call it, depending on what you call it, and we're gonna turn it into a burrito. Now, obviously, I'm not gonna be placing any food in here right now because this is only for a demonstration, but what you would do is you would place your food right here, okay? So we're looking at the halfway point. You want your food to end at roughly the halfway point vertically on the wrap, and it's gonna be placed horizontally. So your food is gonna be laid out like this, essentially. So whatever you're putting in your burrito is gonna go right here, okay? So like I said, you want it to end at roughly the halfway point vertically of the wrap, and you want it to be placed horizontally like that, okay? Very simple. Once you have your food laid out there, let's imagine that the food ends right here. You want to leave the flaps open at the end. You're going to fold the left and the right flap inwards. Now this is actually a pretty crusty wrap. It's already old. It's already sort of too old to eat. It's a little bit too crusty. So that's why I decided to use it for this demonstration. Instead of just throwing it out, I figured that I would use it. But obviously yours is gonna be nice and soft and easy to manage. But you're gonna fold the left side in, you're gonna fold the right side in like that. Okay, and you wanna have a little bit of space in the middle, because if you overlap these too much, you're gonna get a really thick amount of wrap or tortilla when you bite into it, and you don't want that. So you want them to sort of not overlap, okay? So you want them to end right there. Then what you're gonna do, let's imagine that, like I said, your food is right here, okay? You're gonna roll this over on top of the food that's in there, okay? Just like that. And you're imagining that the food is right in here now, right like that, okay? So you're rolling this on top, and then you just keep on rolling, just like that. And what you're left with is a perfectly rolled and folded burrito, just like that. Really easy to do, really simple and straightforward. Yeah, that's how you do it. And then you end up with a perfect bite. You can see that's nicely wrapped. You're getting the same amount of tortilla and wrap with every bite pretty much, and you're getting a nice full inside, and it's all held nicely together because of those side folds that we did. The side folds are right here, so they hold everything in the center right here. That's it. That is how to fold a burrito perfectly. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.